Drawing the Stoic Man, a reflection of virtue and inner strength. My fellow artists and seekers of wisdom, today we undertake a meaningful task, drawing the Stoic Man. To sketch such a figure is not merely to capture the contours of a human body, but to reflect the essence of a life lived with purpose, discipline, and virtue. In doing so, we are not just creating a physical likeness, but bringing forth the principles that make a man truly stoic. His calmness in adversity, his reason in chaos, and his steadfastness in the face of the ever-changing world. Let us begin with the posture of the Stoic man. A Stoic, as Seneca reminds us, is not one who seeks outward praise, but one who finds strength within. His posture is not one of arrogance, nor is it one of submission. It is upright and grounded, reflecting his inner fortitude. In every line we draw, we must think of how to express this balance between humility and strength. The shoulders should be relaxed but firm, as though the burdens of the world rest on them, yet they remain unbroken. This is the Stoic stance, prepared to face whatever comes, but unmoved by the trivialities of fortune. As you begin to draw the face, consider the calm expression that marks the Stoic man. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." The face of the Stoic is not one of anger, nor one of fear. It is a face that reflects inner peace, the result of understanding that external circumstances are beyond his control. His eyes, steady and clear, are not focused on the past or the future, but on the present moment. In drawing this, we are capturing a man who sees the world for what it is, without illusion, without false hopes or fears. His gaze is calm, as though he has learned to accept whatever life brings with grace. Now, focus on the eyes themselves. The Stoic man does not avert his gaze from difficulty, nor does he search for comfort in what is easy. His eyes reflect the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, who said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." These eyes must show a man who has faced hardship, who has known suffering, but who has not been diminished by it. Instead, his challenges have become his teachers, sharpening his resolve and strengthening his character. As you draw, aim to show not just the physical form of the eyes, but the depth of understanding behind them. The mouth of the Stoic man is another important feature. Seneca reminds us, "It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." The mouth, therefore, is neither tight with frustration nor pulled down in despair. It rests in a neutral expression, signifying acceptance of life as it is. There may be the slightest hint of a smile, not a smile of joy, but of quiet confidence, the knowledge that the Stoic man has faced much and will continue to do so, with dignity and without complaint. In this mouth, we capture his inner state, unshaken by external circumstances, firm in his principles. As you move to draw the hands, think about what they represent. The hands of a Stoic man are not idle. They are tools of action and purpose. Epictetus tells us, "Don't explain your philosophy, embody it." The Stoic man does not talk about virtue, he practices it. His hands are capable, steady, and ready to take on the tasks of life, whatever they may be. In drawing these hands, we show a man who is not passive in the face of life's challenges, but who meets them head-on with deliberate action. His hands are not clenched in anger, nor are they limp with resignation. They are firm, yet relaxed, ready to do what must be done, yet free of tension and anxiety. The body of the Stoic man is grounded, as though rooted to the earth itself. In his posture, there is a quiet strength, reflecting the words of Epictetus. "No great thing is created suddenly, any more than a bunch of grapes or a fig. If you tell me that you desire a fig, I answer you that there must be time. Let it first blossom, then bear fruit, then ripen." The Stoic man understands that strength, physical, mental, and emotional, comes through steady effort over time. His body reflects this philosophy. There is no rush, no desperation in his stance. He is patient, understanding that life is a process, and that growth comes slowly, but surely. In every line you draw, remember that the Stoic man is not defined by his appearance, but by the virtues he embodies. His form is a reflection of his inner life. He does not seek glory, nor does he shy away from responsibility. As you sketch the muscles, the clothing, and the details of his figure, think about how each aspect of his appearance reflects the qualities we admire in Stoicism: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. The clothes of the Stoic man are simple, unadorned. Seneca teaches us that wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. The Stoic man does not dress to impress, but to function. His clothing is practical, suited to the needs of the moment. It does not distract from the man himself, for he knows that his worth is not determined by outward appearances. As you draw his garments, focus on their simplicity. They should blend into the background, allowing his character to shine through. Finally, as you complete your drawing, reflect on the man you have created. He is not a man of dramatic gestures or flamboyant expression. He is steady, calm, and resolute. His strength lies not in his muscles, but in his mind. He understands the truth of Marcus Aurelius's words. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. The Stoic man's thoughts are disciplined, rational, and grounded in reality. He does not chase after fleeting pleasures, nor does he fear the pain of hardship. He stands firm, rooted in his virtues, knowing that true strength comes from within. In drawing the Stoic man, we remind ourselves of the qualities we aspire to cultivate in our own lives: patience, perseverance, and the courage to face life's challenges without complaint. These are the marks of the Stoic, and they are the qualities we strive to reflect in our art. The lines we draw are not just lines on paper. They are symbols of the virtues that define a life well lived. As you finish your drawing, take a moment to step back and observe the man you have created. He is not perfect, for no man is, but he is steady, calm, and grounded in the principles of Stoicism. He represents the best of what we strive to be: clear in thought, firm in action, and unshaken by the changing tides of fortune. This speech captures the essence of drawing a Stoic man, emphasizing not just physical form, but the inner virtues of Stoicism: strength, calmness, and perseverance. The speech ties the technical aspects of drawing, posture, expression, detail, to Stoic principles, making the process a reflection of a deeper philosophical journey. Like, share, and subscribe to the Hilderbrand Lifestyle channel for more updates.